y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an everyday summer makeup routine. It's gonna be real simple, real cute. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the primer and stuff, okay? So now the key to a perfect summer makeup is the importance of skincare. I already did my skincare routine. I'm going to post about it. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok too so you guys can actually see those things. Importance of skincare, like your skin looks so much better underneath makeup and it's just so important. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer. We want a glowy face, something that, we're just glowing because it's summertime. We want our melanin to pop, okay, and shine because duh. So, what y'all got going on for the summertime? This summer I am going to be outside as much as possible because I want to. And it's about time that, we really enjoy ourselves, Ooh, look at this primer, y'all. My skin is shining. And I love that for me. Okay. We're gonna do brows. Y'all already know NYX brow glue. It's literally the best. I need to try their brow tint, like with the actual color. Now I did do my own brows, like shape them and stuff, so I might not need to do my brows. I'll just fill them in just a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now while that is drying down, we're gonna go into my favorite skin tint. Like, this is like the perfect thing for the summertime, is using a skin tint, because you don't want anything too cakey, unless you want that. But for me, if I want something really quick, skin tint. And my favorite is the Amicole skin tint. This right here is bae. Okay, that's just what it is. I absolutely love it. It gives beautiful coverage. Ooh. And it's just my favorite. There's no other way around it. And it's Black owned. Can you believe that? It's Black woman owned. And available in Sephora, period. Gonna use that with a beauty sponge. Now this sponge, I got this stuff from oh my gosh, Burlington. Y'all don't be sleeping on Burlington because they be having some good stuff. I'm telling you. They be having some really good stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Honest Concealer and Cafe Latte. It's perfect because it's a good shade up with my normal concealer shade, but I don't necessarily have to add two concealers, especially on hot days. You want it, less is more. And I don't have to use two concealers to brighten because it's bright enough. You see, it's literally the perfect shade for a nice brightening, but not too bright either. And honestly, it's very hydrating, and I like to really just go right in because, I like the concept of letting your concealer dry down for like fuller coverage and stuff. But sometimes you're just on a time crunch and you ain't got time for all that. So, I just go right in, honestly. I just do underneath my eyes because you don't want to kind of go super all out. So the excess I just use on my other highlight points. Boom, bam, boom. Precisely my brow in the color 3.5 to literally just fill in my brows just a smidgen. Okay, you don't want to be doing too much now, because like I said, you just want something light but also look like you put in some effort. And with the same concealer, you're just gonna conceal your brows. Like I said, you just want to look like you put in just a little bit of effort today. I look crazy, don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out, okay? Relax, y'all, relax. It's blended. Okay, then we're gonna go in with setting it Y'all already know, NYX, can't stop, won't stop, is that girl. I love this stuff. I got it in the color mocha. It's literally the best thing ever. Literally, I absolutely love this. Like, this is my favorite setting powder ever. Okay, literally. So all the parts where you concealed, y'all know, y'all are following along, okay? Now I'm gonna go with my blush, One Size Beauty, in the color Cheek Clapper. I'm gonna use, since we got a little bit of glow, I'm gonna use Pop Off. I'm gonna use Petty, and on top of that, I'm gonna use Pop Off. So Petty is like this really, like the darker color here. Petty, Pop Off. Now I don't wanna use too much now, because this thing is very pigmented. I really gotta try the Juvia's Place ones too, because I've heard that those are pigmented. You know, bring it up. Put a little bit on your nose, you know, be a little cute or whatever. Then get a little bit, because like I said, it's pigmented. Okay, right, look, I don't know if you guys can see. I really hope that the camera is doing this justice, because I literally just tapped it, okay? Just a little boop, and I'm already shining. I'm already glowing. And I love that for me. Oh my gosh. And I have to blend this out because it's a lot. But I love it. It's gorgeous. Ugh, so beautiful. All right. Bronzer, Fenty Beauty. It's an OG, Coco Naughty, because, you know, we outside this summer, you know. I'm gonna be outside, but I'm gonna call my man afterwards, okay? Yes, I'm outside, but shawty, I'm gonna call my man. Add a nice little bronzy moment, okay? To let that melanin pop, honey. So your melanin can pop, boo. Because who has time to be contouring? Not me. Bring that to your eyes. Add some depth to your eyeballs. Okay. Just put it everywhere at this point. Just put it everywhere. All right, y'all, so I got my lashes on. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Okay, because it's literally my favorite lip combo ever. Morphe's Richie. Okay, and then we're gonna put in Juvia's Place Toffee in the middle. And NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. Boom. Like, look at that. It's beautiful. Okay. Period. Now, we're going to finish all of this, y'all. Uma Beauty and their Hydro Blast finishing powder. Let's take a moment. Exactly. Like, it's literally the best thing ever, okay? It's the best finishing powder that I found for the summertime, okay? Because it has hydration in it, okay? And I got it in the color Brown Sugar, okay? It's literally perfect to just blend everything together. I love this stuff, okay? Now, watch. Watch the magic. Oh, and it has this beautiful, beautiful cooling effect. Like I said, I like to use it to like blend everything together. It's a finishing powder for a reason now, okay? Gotta make sure you get your neck. Gotta get your neck, honey. Okay, I love this stuff. Boom. And that's it. Uma Beauty. It looks so good. I absolutely love this. And then to set it off, this is a new thing that I bought recently. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. Now, just because you want something, you know, for the summertime to be all dewy and things like that, but you want it to last. So you gotta get a really good setting spray. All right, my first time trying this, so we'll see. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. And y'all, this is the final look. This is my everyday summer makeup routine. Okay, I would literally do this every single day because it's very easy, it's very simple. My face doesn't feel heavy and it's literally perfect. I look good. Tell me I don't look good. Because if you say I don't look good, you're anti-black. And that's just how I feel about it. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Comment down below your everyday summer makeup faves. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.